Hey traders, if you new to MetaTrader and want to boost your trading with indicators but know where to start, you in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to use 3 of the most popular indicators in MetaTrader: the moving average, the relative strength index, and the MACD. You'll learn what each one does, how to add them to your chart, and how to actually use them in a real trade. Section 1. What are indicators? Indicators are tools that help traders make decisions based on price trends, momentum, and volume. They don't predict the future, but they help you understand what the market is doing right now, what it might do next. Let's start with the most basic one, the moving average. Section 2. Moving average. The moving average smooths out price action to show the overall trend. There are 2 types: simple moving average, average price over a specific period. Exponential moving average gives more weight to recent prices. How to add in MetaTrader: go to Insert Gives, Indicators, Gives Trend, Gives Moving Average. Choose the period, select SMA or EMI, and pick a color. How to use it: if price is above the MA, trend is up. If below, trend is down. Many traders use TMAS, a fast one and a slow one, to spot crossovers. Section 3. RSI. Relative Strength Index. The RSI measures momentum and tells you if a market is overbought or oversold. It moves between 0 and 100. Above 70, below 30 equals oversold. How to add in MetaTrader: go to Insert Gives Indicators, Gives Oscillators, Gives Relative Strength Index. How to use it: look for RSI to drop below 30 and start rising, equals possible buy. Look for RSI to go above 70 and start falling, equals possible sell. Works well in range in markets, less so in strong trends. Section 4. MACD. Moving average, convergence, divergence. The MACD, the relationship between 2 EMAs, and help spot trend changes. It consists of MACD line, signal line, histogram. How to add in MetaTrader: go to Insert Gives, Indicators, Gives Oscillators, Gives MACD. How to use it: when the MACD line crosses above the signal line, equals bullish signal. When it crosses below, equals bearish signal. Histogram bars, growing, equals increasing momentum. MECD works best in trending markets. Section 5. Quick example. Strategy. Let say price is above the 50. ESI gives trend is up. RSI pulls back near 30. Gives market is oversold. MACD line crosses above signal line, gives bullish momentum. That's a good combo for a potential long trade. Always confirm with price action and manage your risk with stop-loss orders. Test strategies in a demo account before going live. Outro. Now you know how to use RSI and MACD inside. These tools can really help simplify your trading, but remember, no indicator is perfect. Practice and backtest before relying on them. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which indicator you want me to cover next. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.